What's the deal, gang? What's the deal? What goes on? How's everybody doing? What's up, my man? Let's set this up like this. How's it going, everybody? What's going on? Let it fill up. Let it fill up. It's very, very low attendance today. Signal channel had a great morning. Yes, sir. What'd it be like? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, we called it yesterday. We said eventually, based on that closure and the no top wick, at some point the daily was going to come back down. Just didn't know how far up it was going to ride. 150 pips. Can't get with the squad. We need to fill up. Let's go. Let's get some more people in here. Chat, drop some likes. Got 2 minutes till the new hour opens. The daily, let's just talk about this. Daily's closed bearish. But the 4 hours established a support of sorts. Strong 4-hour closure. To really confirm this support, you would need to come back down and tap this area and reject off this area. Reject off of 2452. That would confirm that as support, and then maybe we can look for a retest of the highs. No. Give me 1 second, chat. You're hungry? Hold on a sec. Sorry, gang. Kids. Those damn kids. All right. Anyway, so the 4-hour close strongly bullish, but I'd expect a retest of the lows before the market makes a decision, and that's what I'm looking for. Now, where will we? And okay, let's talk about it in terms of ranges, right? Let's draw some up. So you have your support. You have your wrong thing. Let's delete that. All right, you got a support here. Clearly bounced off that area to drive up, and you're typically the market tends to mirror the way it came up. This is the way it came down. So see this is how it came down. If it's going to come down here, it'll be roughly off these wick areas, right? These wick areas fall in line with this area. So there's a chance, if you see how this area is a support, if we're able to bounce off this area and break highs here, we're going to expect to tap this area, right? Because this is the area where the market comes down from, where there's a previous resistance, right? Also, we're not going to expect this entire drive up, right? We're not expecting this because before that drive up, we need the market to tap this. Remember, we said we need this area to be tapped. You see how there's a workflow of things that needs to happen before eventually looking for this area. We have to come back down and tap 24.52 to have some confidence in the fact that we're going to drive up or drive down, right? It's going to have to make a decision here. But the most immediate decision right now is it going to come down now to this area, or will it respect 24.59, come up to this area, 24.65, then come down, right? That's where we are right now. So let's see what happens here. It's making a bottom wick. I want to see how the 30 closed, the hourly closed. If we're able to tap this area and then flip bullish, we can have some buys. You know what? Even now, because top of the range. The reason I want to tap this area is I'd like to confirm that we're not going to break down here completely and come back down in range, right? Previous hourly had no bottom wick. Chat, lock in here because we might have some buys here if we start breaking highs. But if we start closing below 24.59, it's a whole different story. What's the range here to the top? 20 pips. Yeah, so if this flips bullish, we're going to take a buy on the break of high, but it's quite a bit that has to happen. You see how it retested this area perfectly now? If this is the area that we've driven up from before, if we bounce off of this and flip bullish, we're going to expect to drive up to 65 areas. But if it breaks down here, then obviously, remember we said we need to retest the lows, whether it's now or off 65. So that's key. I would not like to have any sells unless there's a 4-hour bearish closure in about 54 minutes. Don't want sells before then, because for me to get sells, we would need to break below 24.57 here. I would need to see a strong bearish push. It still might happen. We close below 57. Top wick to 59, 59.1. And we look for that retest of the lows. That's interesting. The hourly just started, right? So if we're coming down here in the first few minutes this heavy, shit, it might just push all the way down. Typically, it's if it takes some time, like the first 20, 30 minutes to come down, maybe the rest of the time it'll come back up. But if this is driving immediately, broke the previous hourly low, right? This just might see the retest of the bottom of the range right now. I'm a little cautious here because the last few days, my last couple of losses, you know, there's been a 15 flip and the reflip of the 4 hour. And I'm looking at the daily, created a top wick to come down here, right? Highly, remember we said we need to retest the lows before making a decision? Look at that. The retest of the lows here is also the daily wick fill. But I need a closure. I need a bearish closure below this range, not just, you know, an impulsive break of the lows or break of previous candle lows. Excuse me. Close below 459. I mean, they already flipped. 4 hour flip, the daily flip. On the smaller time frame, it's still, you need closure, right? And a top wick. So the 5 closed here, below that little area. Let's see. Wicks analysis calms me because I understand. W. I mean, there's no need to stress, right? What's the point of stressing? Come to terms with the fact that you're in here for the long term. You're only stressing if you're here for like the next week or two, the month, right? Maybe I'm here planning on 2 months and just become an absolute fucking animal. No, don't plan on it. Take the stress off of yourself. Take the pressure off. The only way you do that is plan on this being a long-term thing. Don't even plan on it. Just have the mindset of, I'm just gonna keep showing up, and it's not gonna see results for a long time. Right? Don't look for results. It'll take your pressure off you. Just know that it's a long game. Long-term battle. You say me? Man, never stress. What? Oh. Hold on, chat. Feeling so stressed today? Well, yeah, that's don't over risk today. We're not trying to, you know, we as much as we like, we're playing the odds here, and the odds are is that next month, the month after that, or the month after that, we're not all of a sudden gonna be, you know, multimillionaires with hundreds of thousands of followers and a massive trading account, right? If that's what you're looking for. Oh, hold on a second. Okay. Give me a second, gang. I gotta go get my kids some yogurt. That's what they want, and I'm the only one that can reach it. Give me a sec. Be right there. My apologies, chat, but kids are hungry. All right, 15 closed here. 15 closed. Respecting this little area. I don't know. Close kind of right at it. I don't know. In times like this, I stay out when it's kind of Did it? Did it not? But close below this area, the higher time frame one, but it's only the 15. The thing is, right? This is the 30 level, but we only closed on the 15, not on the 30. So if we're gonna look to respect 30 levels, let's get that 30 closure. Closure below plus top wicks makes you expect what? It's not going to be as simple as a closure below and a top wick. There's a level here, so we're going to look for this to really push below this area. This was the minimum for us. This is a buy level more, if you really want to interpret it in that sense. This is a level we drove up from. This isn't really a level we drove down from. Right? The 2458. It's the level we came up off of. See, even right here. The level we come down off of is right here. That's why I'm a bit skeptical, right? Especially with the fact that the hourly does not have a top wick. So no matter how we close below here, unless we come up and break the hourly and get that top wick, I'm kind of inclined to stay out. Or the hourly is going to have to close below here, which would also close the 4-hour bearish, and then, all right, that makes our decision much easier, right? And then we're like, all right, 4-hour close bearish. The hourly close bearish. We don't need that top wick on the hourly because the 4 hours got one. It just closed. It's a time frame that supersedes the hourly. It's a stronger time frame, stronger confirmation. And so all we're looking for at that point is the next hourly to give us a top wick, so we can come down. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Let's wait. Let's wait. Wait on the 30. How do I identify it? Fake out, apply, range 1, range 2. Right, so you have range 1 as we're coming down here, right? There's a bearish daily bias. You got range 1, you have range 2, right? Roman numerals here. There we go. Anyway, this right here, see the ranges. So anything above here is a buy, right? Any kind of, so let's go back here. Any kind of bullish closure above that area is a buy. But at this point, once this candle, this bearish candle here closes bearish, this becomes the range. So now your range 1 is this whole area, right? Right here, this is range 1. And now you have this thing going on, and now this is range 2. And now anything above here becomes a range 2 breakout, and you can take these buys. But another thing you can look for is to see if you could get some strong closures in this area, right? Coming down here, tempted to drive, bounced off something. We'll look at the small time frame if there's something there. And then you can look to come up anticipating that drive, but you have to realize that you're going to have to manage quick here. What you have in your direction, what you have right for you, what you have going for you at that point is the fact that you need to tap this area. You've held support, and you need to tap this area then to drive. But let's see what happens. Do you have a journal to track your stream trades in, homie? No, I don't journal my trades, but every single trade in that record has been taken here on the live streams. You can go back to when the record was 0 and 0 and literally go through streams to see every single trade live. I swear the more I watch you and Don, the more I get it. Trading is becoming easier by the day. Good. That means what we're doing is working. And you're gonna leave the nest soon. Go out into the world on your own. It's a mean, mean place. Damn. Oh, damn. Palestine. Mayor of Oh, alright. East Pal. I'm watching the Republican National Convention, and they're like, Mayor of Palestine speaking. And look, it says East Palestine, Ohio Mayor. There's a city called Palestine in Ohio. East side. Coming down, coming down. Can we get the sturdy closure and a bottom wick? This friggin' hourly candle, man. Someone walked into you. Bro, you hit somebody. No one walked into your car. Were you driving? If you're moving, you hit somebody. Run! Run! Take off, bro. You gotta go. Run. Oh, you're screwed. It's crazy. Literally into incoming traffic, oncoming traffic. Wait, hold on. Are you in a white neighborhood? You gotta go. Drive home. It's so good you use no indicators and no price, and it looks so good. Who did a hit and run? This whole chat be pippin' running. He stopped for the dude, he almost got killed by the next guy. You guys are too nice. Or, like, I don't know. Give things too much meaning. I just kind of slowly reverse. Just put it in drive, just drive around. Forget it even happened. Like a setup that never gave an entry. You ever use a 2-hour on making analysis or finding an entry? I do check it from time to time, and yesterday I was looking at the 2-hour actually for a flip. Never happened. 200 plus viewers. Only sent you're rubbing it in, bro. We used to 400 minimum, and we used to average 700. I can't imagine all that being blown accounts. If that's all blown accounts, that's tough. Chat, what might happen here? This could get interesting too. The hourly might close bearish, but it might close bearish at this area. And look what happened last time the hourly closed bearish at this area. Drove up. So, except in this case, the market's coming down overall. So, let's see if there's a support anywhere here. There is. There's a level right here. This could get interesting. If we close bearish on the hourly here, but above 2458.5, excuse me, that's the 4-hour closing bullish. Bullish or doji. If we can get a bottom wick here on the next candle to start off and do this, we will have buy stops on the flip, looking for that, right? Minimum is 2455 here. That's the 4-hour support. It's a strong level, right? Look, right off the 4-hour. Right, and that would also fall in line with what we've done here previously earlier to the left. Right, see this area. All right, so let's just be patient, but that's 30 minutes from now. That's at the hourly closure, not an hour, in 30 minutes. For now, we wait. That 23-minute looking fire, dog. Yeah, that's a fire time frame. Let's get the 23-minute in here. 23, where you at? It's falling in line with everything else. Still holding support, baby. 20 minutes for that one. Back. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, you got your chair? Damn. You see me? I need the Undertaker lean. I need all that. I need that whole lean. Stand by. This shit lays down, huh? You only had it for 1 hour? Nice. Congrats. What Florida you in? Right near the beach, boy. So the 30 held here. This area. Yeah, it looks super comfy. What kind of chair is that? Is that a Reggie Miller chair? I think Don got a Reggie Miller. Got a Richard Milley from Timo. What does it say? Dick Milley? That's crazy. Oh, he dipped. I think he went to bring it for a show and tell. Eddie better come back right now with a Richard Milley from fucking Canal Street. Oh. You're downstairs wiping in the kitchen? I hope you live by yourself, bro. Why are you wiping in the kitchen? Use the bathroom, bro. Oh, whipping. What are you whipping? Around the pool is crazy. I don't know what Eddie's doing. I'm gonna leave it alone. He's doing something. He's doing something in the kitchen. If you ever around Eddie, don't get left alone with him in the kitchen. He just be wiping and shit. Alright, we're breaking down. Can we come down and close below on the hourly? Will we respect 24.58? Look at the clubhouse. Oh, you're chilling. He said, honey, come take a picture of me. My new chair. That's nice. You got a hard floor though, so I think, you know what you should have done? You got to get those the skateboard wheels so the shit can just roll around. Like the rollerblade wheels, not the skateboard, the rollerblade wheels, like thick rubbery ones. Be over here like, not like. Just sound like the ocean. What you waiting for? We just broke it all down. Rewind. We bought gold too much these days. No more left for women and girls. Okay. Yeah, we're waiting most likely on this hourly to close. The way it's setting up right now, that's what we're most likely waiting on. Right. 15 respected, 30 respected. for the alley, which is also the 4 hour, which is also the 30 and the 15 and the 5 and the 1. What's this look like? Yeah, futures prices haven't passed 2400, 2500 either. Soon. Pretty soon. Yeah, don't fall asleep in that chair. You wake up outside the house. It'll wheel you out. Took a buy, the hell with it. What's your opinion on all influencers, traders, aka gurus that are flooding the internet? Keep seeing their content everywhere and everyone seems to be making millions. I mean, you're looking at the highlight reel, right? You know, they're setting you up for failure. They're setting you up because the success rate is so low that that's not how it really is. They're not giving you reality, right? And then you're over there sitting comparing their highlight reel to, right, to your own behind the scenes, which kind of, you know, are not as glamorous. So they're setting you up to fail because you're gonna get that mindset, and what happens in return, instead of, you know, instead of looking for true consistent learning and self-betterment, self-improvement, and just discipline and being locked in, actually focusing on the knowledge, right? You start chasing the lifestyle, right? And you become attached to that lifestyle. You become identified by that lifestyle, and it's setting you up to fail, right? And even when you do get a little bit of success, like you identify with, you know, yourself as that lifestyle. You get yourself a Lambo, right? And then you become fucking Lambo Chris or Lambo Pablo, and then, like, right, what happens when you break the Lambo? Are you broken too? You're gonna feel broken because you've chased the lifestyle. You haven't chased the knowledge, the value, the true wisdom that comes along with being better in all aspects of life. Better person, better trader, better human being, right? Better father, better son, better friend. No. Don't get sucked into it. Kind of focus on your discipline, stay patient, and like people that understand life and that really understand how things work, they're gonna respect your focus, not your lifestyle. Right? Concentrate on this journey, right? You guys all want the destination, but like let's look at the ultimate journey. Like let's look in the grand scheme of things. Life is the ultimate journey, right? Like are you guys also eager to die because that's the destination? No, you're also eager to live, right? Enjoy the journey. So now just do that on a smaller level. You guys have trouble doing things on a micro level. $10. No, I need 10,000. No, do things on a micro level. Right? Apply the same macro concepts on a micro level. It all works. It's all relatable, right? Stop focusing on destination. Focus on the activity at hand. Right? True that money and success attracts humble people? No. It's a very humbling experience when you can't when you don't achieve money and success. That's when life humbles you. This is interesting. Look at this 15 closure right now. You're getting a 15. Well, the previous 15 was an onion. Now you have a bottom wick. Is it going to close above this little shoulder area? Yeah, probably the most recent is the level you're looking at. Really looking at this. And no, it respected it. So there's a chance this makes a bottom wick and drives, and we would be in that position after a bottom wick if we're able to close above this most recent level. But right now, because it didn't, it kind of skews me out of it that we didn't. So if it decides to come back down and close below here, then there you go. It's your 4-hour closing below. And so we have 14 minutes left here for this 4-hour closure. It's a 1-hour closure as well. Let's see what happens. We're gonna have a significant amount of data printed in that closure. For now, you guys have 10 minutes. This might be a bottom wick for the 15, right? But we're not gonna play with it. We're gonna look for that, higher time frame to close and be a little more definitive. So you have about 10 to 12 minutes. Do what you gotta do. Go to the bathroom, go to the little girl's room, whatever you're gonna do. Go freshen up, go smoke a joint, go make your coffee, but make sure you're here within the next 10 minutes. As for me, give me a second. I wanna go make sure I can tell my kids goodnight before they go to bed. And I gotta piss like a racehorse, to be honest. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Let's turn some music. Love you. Spicy. I just ate some, I don't know, I just tried my kids having some ramen. And they got themselves some spicy shit. I'm just now starting to feel it. I was like, alright, nah, I'm good, let me try it. I tried it and I was like, I walked in here and I'm like, hold on. help to analyze NAS. No, I don't trade NAS. I don't trade the US 30. I don't trade that. I trade gold. That's what I do. Are you from USA? America. Music loud? Sorry. Hold on. I gotta go talk to the producer. Yo, who took the lighter? Oh, right. You ever cough so hard it make you dizzy? That shit ever happen to you? That shit ever happen to you when you're driving? That's wild. You cough in one lane, shit, once you're done coughing, you're 6 lanes over, oncoming traffic. You ever need to get your jacket from the back seat on the highway? I'm not talking about like just reach over and grab it. I'm talking about like put the shit in autopilot and get to the 3rd row. Like gotta get your jacket out of the 3rd row type shit. Like damn, I gotta go back. Imagine like some school bus type shit with no aisle. I only do that shit when I'm carpooling. Straight through a toll booth. Three minutes here. 3 minutes for this hour, this 4-hour closure. Let's get interesting. race tonight? Not yet. Not yet. Oh, Trump just walked in. They're clapping again. Fight. Fight. What are they playing? Yo, I'm gonna get copyright for this. Yo, honestly, Trump, like after the shit heals, he needs like a fucking he needs like a earring that says "missed me." Right that goes through that hole. Like an earring with a big chain on it that's big ass diamond letters says "missed me." Absolute goat. Eddie looking small? Don't tell him that. Don't make him flex right now. Eddie, come on. Pull a bicep or something. You don't make him flex right. You don't tell people that work out they're looking small. They get mad fucking mad. Get self-conscious. Eddie about to go fucking bring in a scale and an extra mirror into the bedroom. Just figure out what's he gonna do with the macros tomorrow and shit. Time to bulk. Word. Get that water weight up, bro. Ooh. So the 4 hours closing bullish. Can we start coming down here on the hourly? Maybe we can have a wick entry. Respecting this area. Okay. Really want the first thing that it does is come down. So here's the thing, if it comes down first, I was looking to have a wick entry here at this area. But if it's gonna drive up, once it breaks the lows and starts breaking the lows of the previous candle, we can start setting a buy stop on the re-break of the highs. Held this resistance area, right? So if we're coming down, if you look at it like this, this might level up. I don't know, but I do know that that 4 hour closed bullish. And I like the way we hit our level previously. Let's see. I would like for us to come down, tap 2455.44, and after that tap, if we can end up re-breaking the highs, that's what I'll look for. Hold on, Chip. Sorry. I was saying once we tap this area 2455, we'll set buy stops. Or it might flip now. And if it does, chat, I'll take a buy on the rebreak of the highs here. I don't think I'm gonna even have time to set a buy stop. If I do, I don't have a buy stop right now. It's not letting me put it in there. So hold on. So chat, got into a position as we rebroke that high. Okay. And I'm gonna look for us to come up here. The 4 hours bullish. If we come down and make a steeper bottom wick, I'm okay with it. The previous 4 hours called pretty close, pretty bullish. So I would expect us to come up here. Pineapples would be here at the bottom of the range here. So I'm not planning for that yet. I'm planning for us to come up and retest 2465. Okay. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm in a trade. Sorry. So what's going on? My bot didn't work. I didn't have my bot on for the signals, so I'm doing the signals manually. I'm typing them out. But we're in a buy here on the break at a high. Okay. I don't know why the bot didn't work. Strange. Okay, your vantage point here is probably the top of the range here. Right. Break that wick. Once this re-breaks its own high, I'm gonna go break even. And I want the price to actually re-break the high. Can we re-break the highs? Yeah, once it re-breaks the highs, I'm looking to close half and go break even. Okay, there you go, chat. I'm gonna close half here at 11 and I'm going break even. $10.00000 flat. It's 11 here on the thing. So stops to be. I closed half because I want to see if maybe we can rip. Maybe we can't. Fucking push up. 10 and BE few days in a row, but still W. I'm surviving here, chat, by 2 pips, 3 pips. But stops to be. It rebroke the highs, right? You're expecting a push over there. It created a high. Ooh, you might survive. You might survive. Push up, goddammit. It didn't tap nothing. That's what I'm saying. All it did was re-break the highs here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Push up. Push up. Yo, if you don't fucking push up right now, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. To go. Alright, alright, alright. I'm not managing this chat until this actually, I think maybe 2463. I'm gonna see if we can tap the top of the range here. Right? We're filling, this is the 4-hour wick fill. But if it pushes, we have a pretty nice entry. So let's see, because previously, look, this candle came straight up. So we're at 20 pips here. 20 pips in profit. Stops to break even. Close too early. No, I closed half at 10 on the dot. 10.0000. Pips here. Top of the range, top of the range. That's what we want. Be careful at this area. You see that it can tap here and come back down right here, this area. 2463, 325. Whee! 60. I saw 30 pips. Haven't closed anything. No, chat. I'm just gonna close. Ooh, pushing up, pushing up. I'm gonna close full right here. 32, 3, maybe a little more. Come on, go, go, go. 34, one more pip. No, fuck, I'm gonna close right here. 34 pips. I'm closing full. So, congrats. The reason I'm closing here is we've tapped these wicks to the left, right? The previous levels. I don't want the shit to pull back. The next candle, bottom wick. I'm fine here, 34 pips, right? We can risk 34 for an extra 22. I'm good. 34 pips. Congrats. Oh shit, I forgot to tell signals. It's a close one. Sorry, I'm just telling the signal channel to close out full, and that I think they got a little bit better. I think they got like, yeah, 35 for it. Testing. My bot didn't work. It's gonna run to the top of the range. Give you that whole 57 target, but close 34. Congrats, everybody. All It's linked to your signal channel. It's in the bio. It should be in the description as well. But yeah, good trade, lovely trade. Congrats, everybody. Oh yeah, that's right. Exclamation point signals. I forgot. My bad. How many people still holding? Lovely, lovely trade. Chat, I owed you this one. I owed you this one for yesterday. So, plus the signal channel ate this morning as well. We had some W's this morning in the signal channel. We got some pineapples and a nice 20 pip W. $20 in the morning, 10 last night, 34 here. Like, right? That 40 seems like, that minus 40 seems like a lifetime ago, right? And this shit was just yesterday. Thanks, Wix. W Education, not getting caught in that flip. We waited for confirmation. Well, remember what we said. Let this 4 hour really determine what we're going to do. See, it closed bullish at the end of everything. What do we know as it's coming down? It's going to have to make a top wick, whether it wants to come down or come up. So that's why I said I might be, if we were able to tap 24.55 without making a top wick, we're taking wick entries here. But it made a top wick, came down, so we have to take the rebreak. That's what we did. Rebreak of the highs, expecting 24.65 at the very least. But at this point, like, right, you see it tapped this area, which is the initial, this is our advantage point, the first initial area where we could see some play, and that's what's happening. That's how we closed. Are the signals delayed in chat? No, they happen at the same exact time. Today, it might have been delayed by 3 seconds, 2 seconds. But this is what happens is, once I click a buy button on my MT5, there's a bot, right? I don't control it. Like, as soon as I click that button, it posts the position in the Discord. As soon as I close a position, it shows the position was closed in the Discord. It shows the percentage of the position closed if I broke it down, and it shows entries, exit, as it happens, right? Pip count, how long the position took, like it counts like minutes, seconds, everything. Today it took me 2 to 3 seconds because I had to do it manually. Today I wrote it, I typed it out. But I was testing it out last night. Maybe I fucked something up because, well, it worked in the morning, so I don't know. But I'm gonna be testing it out again here. If you don't mind me asking, how often the signals in your chat on the stream? How often? Every single day. We average maybe 1 to 2 signals New York session and roughly 1 to 2 signals every Asian session. Tonight, there's only one. Wixby like, see you on Monday public gang and Sunday private gang. That's right. If you get whoever's in the signals channel or Wix table, you get access to the. Thanks for the plug. They get access to the Sunday private session. We stream Sundays privately. So join us. Sadly closed full when you close partials, but didn't close anything, so not too upset. But didn't lose anything. You won. What do you mean? Even if, yo, for me, I take 8 pips. I'm a winner. I'm gonna go fucking skipping on my, about my day, frolicking. Just 8 pips, 8 pips. I'll fucking frolic with a smile on my face all the way to the bank. Oh, let's update the record. That's win number 152. Remember, the very next position after the loss was 10 pips. And then we said, ah. Go ahead, full TP here. I know my trade of 8 people are punching the air right now. You guys are pissed. I remember shit like this used to happen to me, like when I just started trading, and there would be a fire trade, and I don't know, it would be something would come up, always something would come up. I'd be like, why is the world fucking stacked against me? This universe, no. $24.68. I'm worried about this area right here, this initial area. I'm more worried about it on the hourly. But on the 30, see this initial area from where you have drives up, this is where you can start rejecting and back to 52. And I think eventually you'll see it retest the highs, right? We'll eventually come back and break all-time highs again. It's a matter of time. Rinse and repeat. That's the key. That's the key. The key is to keep it simple enough that it becomes easy to do day in and day out, night in, night out. You want something that you can rinse and repeat. Anyway, chat, 34 pips here today. I think we might be on Sports Center tonight. You know what I'm saying? Top 10. I like the 2 or 3 spot, you know what I'm saying? And in the world of trading, tonight Wix 9, runners 34 pips. Look at that form. The execution just flawless, right? Da-na-na. We'll sit with us on stream today and answer every question as we close to weekend. I'm here. It's hump day. Let's go. Adam Schiff, the Schiff Show. Calls on Biden to drop out. Oh, this reminds me. What a trade. Yeah, my phone shut off too. It's 9:30 chat. NYSE open about to about to happen 12 hours from now. Yeah, we have any news? Tomorrow. Oh man, who's ready for their claims, yo? I want all the smoke. I want all the, yo, You guys can unmute, by the way. Why don't you call celery and onions nowadays? I mean, because I don't, like, I notice them in the market, right? But it's not, it's no longer the defining nuance or the defining variable. It's no longer like a defining variable. It's something I notice in the charts, but it's not something that's going to determine where I enter. But you know what? That's only because subconsciously I know what it is, and I think I expect all of you to understand what's going on, right? If we're printing bullish at a support, I don't feel like I need to say, hey, well, here's an onion. No, we fucking printed bullish at a support, right? It's just, I don't know. It's like when it used to be like a defining moment for some. Oh, you know, now we're looking for a bottom wick. Yeah, onion, bottom wick, let's go.
What up, bro?
What's the deal? You gonna go? Did you drink protein already? Did you take that personal?
No. No, I did lose a little bit of weight after I got my tooth removed. I stopped going to the gym for like 2 months.
Bro, I went back to the gym. Remember I said I didn't go for like a month, for 3 weeks. My pops was in the hospital and ICU and all that. So I went back to the gym last week once. And then I was just like everything was sore after that. And then this week I've been every day. So, but I needed that one time just to get back in the flow of things. I gave myself 2 days off over the weekend. And then this week I've been in there every day.
That's what yesterday was for me. I was like, all right, I gotta just do my normal routine. I was going here and there, just doing random bullshit. But I just did my full routine yesterday. It was my first good day.
Oh yeah. Next time you go in there, that's it. You're good. You're back in the flow of things. Yo, his chest deflated. Yo, y'all gotta stop messing with him. What you mean?
No.
Arms looking a little small. Yo, you know what? Just sit like this. Sit like this so they can't tell. You notice people that work out and like they've just started getting big and they're noticing a difference. They need to make sure everybody else sees a difference. So they'd be walking around like they'll hold something in there just so you can see the biceps. Oh, you guys can't see me. Need to get them jumbo egg shake. Yo, you go live with Bougie for a week, you'll fucking pick up a good 25 pounds.
Yeah, he eats pretty good. I gotta eat more. That's my thing. If I stop working out, I lose weight instantly. I lost like 11 pounds in 2 months.
How much you weigh right now?
Right now I'm like 149. Normally I'm like 160 to like 165.
Oh, I thought you were bigger than me.
I am 5'8". I'm a little shorter.
5'8", 150. All right. I'm like 5'9", 170.
It's about the same when you can average in height.
Oh. Wait, who's muted? There you are. What do you say? Should egg really boost your mental health if we eat it daily? The egg yolk.
I eat eggs every day. Just depends. Some people, it makes their cholesterol higher. Some people it doesn't. So you just got to get your blood work done. Make sure you're good.
Well, we're playing us for you, right?
Yeah, so it's mostly for new people that like they'll understand what I'm talking about, really.
Goes into Brazil. Oh.
Breathe air, gain weight. Nice.
Oh.
Have a buy of 58.65. Okay, great. Great buy. Another 66.14. Ah, no, you have a buy at 66.14, and then you added a pineapple at 58.65. I was thinking about holding the
Should be
58
overall
buy and then
green.
close 66 when it gets close and let 58 run to 2,500. What do you think I should do? I think if you're gonna treat it like that, then at least put your stops where the combined break even would be. You know what I'm saying? So if it pushes to 65, put your break even, or 64, put your break even over there at 62. You know what I mean?
What is this? Look at this.
But be careful. Realize that, like, before coming up, we need 52 tap, right? So you might see this drop heavy.
For me, the later it gets in the session, the more I want to go break even and go to sleep.
Yeah, I remember talking to you. You were like, after some time, you were just like, all right, I'm gonna put my stops, my TP, and pass out. And there was a chance you could have managed it, and it took you out, right? It hit your stops. But you could have managed it in profits. It's tough. I feel you on that. In order to avoid those situations, because that'll fuck with your mindset, right? Especially for the next session. Like, you wake up for morning and it's like that, and you're like, oh shit. So I would probably do what you're doing. Yeah, try to, like, if your session's ending, you need to be out of the position. Yeah, manage it. Call it. To each their own.
Yeah, I tried, man. I entered another pineapple and set my stops, and I was in profit when you guys were like 6 or 7 pips negative. So I was in profit already 10 pips there. So in total, I think I saw like 11, like 12 pips, 13 pips, and then it reversed.
Look at this, chat. Perfect closure. It wasn't the wickiest of wicks, but we closed right here. Like, great closure. Understanding the levels that we tap, right? Understanding that these are the areas we drive up from, so it's probably an area we're going to reject. And then if we are going to drive up, it's going to be after 24, 52, 53 areas. Remember? Maybe 24, 55 areas, because that's the 4-hour right here. It's the 4-hour level. 24, 55. And it's not that it's going to tap this area and drive up. That was the idea before we had the steep top wick here on this new 4-hour, right? Now, once it comes down here, it has a decision to make, right? Come back up or continue down. Let's see. Good, interesting. Okay, good.
Okay, it needs like a.
Chat, all this talk at the gym. Can we get these flexes in? Let's get some biceps flexing in here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Where's my flexors at? I need to bring the Spartans out. I'm gonna have to bring the Spartans out. Where's my Spartans? Oh shit. Sorry, I moved all my sounds. Now I have no idea where they are.
So where's the music today?
Let's go. Perfect. What'd you say? Where's the music? Oh, the soundbite.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like no tunes playing in the background.
Really?
It's quiet.
There is. Maybe they're just too low. You hear them now?
No. I haven't heard him the whole stream.
Hmm.
Oh, maybe it's just for Zoom? Oh,
No,
see.
but Zoom is supposed. Is it always like that? No. You usually hear it on the Zoom,
Oh,
right?
yeah, you're right. Yeah, I don't hear it on the Zoom.
Do you typically?
Yeah, yeah, I always hear it on the Zoom because I only listen to you through the Zoom and I just have the YouTube on mute.
Something's off then in the settings.
And that's weird.
You should have 5 free skins.
My stop just got hit. That's the right there. On the rudder.
Percent out.
Oh, you didn't lose anything.
No, I only had a quarter left there. If it would have broken out from there, I was gonna.
No clue. I don't know. I don't know. You guys should be hearing the music on the Zoom too. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I'll figure it out later. Books have a question about the people who trade with Apex the funded. You take pineapples as well. So I've tried it, trading the way I trade on the Apex, and it didn't work. So I traded a lot size that I figured would be optimal, where it wasn't too much risk and it wouldn't take too long in terms of passing. Otherwise, because if I dropped any more risk, then it would just take too long. It's not worth it. And at that point, like, my live accounts made money while my funded accounts broke the rules. You know what I mean? So I just never bought a funded. I've passed FTMO. I failed alpha, but it's just the rules are made with the way I trade. Those rules, it's just a matter of time, right? Like, maybe I'll pass a challenge and I'll get a payout to it, but I'll still fail it, like, based on the way I trade. So those for me, based on my style and the amount of money I expect to make in a certain period of time, it's just not worth it, right?
Yeah, you can take a pineapple,
also-
it just has to be the same size as the original position, and it only has to be one. You can't take any more.
Yeah, Eddie does it. Yeah.
What do you have?
But I'm a big proponent of live accounts, because the biggest thing is mindset. Like, you're trying to get better. Most of you guys are learning, just learning. And if you're trying to get better and learn, you're trying to instill winning habits, right? You're trying to instill a mindset that's built for the long term, for surviving the long game. And funded accounts are not built for a long term with the rules. Oh, you blow an account, nope, start over. It's not meant for long-term success. It meant at some point you're going to be failing, and it's going to bring in those unwanted emotions and feelings that you're really trying to get rid of. It's going to bring out the demons that aren't welcome here, right? The demons that you really want to subdue and not have in trading, that you're going to spend a lot of time getting rid of those demons in order to get to where you need to go. And then what? Just to have a funded account bring all those demons back out? You know what I mean? So you're setting yourself up for failure, I think, in terms of funded accounts, when it comes to mindset. There are people that do it. Just probability is not on your side, especially just the way I trade. I don't think it's worth it. The way I trade live accounts is it.
Playing this.
Marco Rubio is on Trump's right, talking in his ear. The motherfucker just got shot in that ear. He doesn't hear you. It's still ringing. Rubio's talking to him. All Trump hears is friggin' Trump don't hear your ass. You gotta get on the other side. Should have requested a seat to the left. We'll call it here. Thank you, Wix. W session as always. Yes, sir. Great trade.
No way.
Great patience. Remember, we spoke about this. We literally said the 4-hour will give us the data that we need to make a higher quality decision. That's what happened here.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Can we rebuy? No, because now the 4 hours different candle. When we bought based on that hourly flip, it was heavily based on a 4-hour rebreak and its high.
Well, I can't see it.
Selling below 57. You can say that you're gonna look for sells right below that area, but you can't say you're definitely selling below there, because you have to see how it forms, right? What if you just get a single drive, no wicks, no pullbacks, nothing? Well, unless you're looking for the 4-hour flip at that point, like yeah, that's a lot of orders grabbed here. The 4-hour rebreaks the lows. You got to see how it rebreaks the lows. What if you get this hourly bullish closure, right? Like it is right now, or above the most recent especially, and then you come down without creating a top wick, right? Yeah, the 4 hours rebreaking the lows. A lot will matter how this closes, because if it closes like this, above this most recent, right? If it creates this bottom wick, it shouldn't, but if it does that, as you're breaking the lows, flipping on the 4, but it could just be a bottom wick for the hourly to drive up. But if it does this, like where it is right now, if this is the closure, then yeah, absolutely. If the next candle starts coming down, you can say we respected the most recent, the 4 hours flipping now, we respected resistance. If you're getting that, yeah, you can look for this top wick or not at this point. You obviously you'd want one, but even if it doesn't have one, you could probably look for a rebreak of the lows. Understanding at that point that now you can put your stops at the rebreak of the 4-hour high, because if you come back up there, you're probably gonna continue up, right? So yeah, once that 4-hour flips, that's your higher time frame, probably stops here, and that's it. Pretty decent stops, 50, 60 pips, not bad. What happens if the 4-hour rebreaks its high? It'll push. Any more questions, chat? I think we're done here for the day, if I'm being honest with you. I'm not taking any more positions for agent session. What I'll do, if you're in the signal channel, if there's any more positions, I'll type in. Okay, when I'm testing, I'll make sure I type in, hey, don't take these positions, I'm testing. All right, so be very careful. Don't just take positions when you see them in the signal channel tonight. I'm gonna test out a couple positions. I'm trying to get this bot back to working, right? And I'll let you guys know in the signal channel which positions once I'm done testing, or when I'm testing and once I'm done. All right, chat, drop a like if you enjoyed that trade, if you took a W with us. Sub to the channel, make sure your notifications are on. This way you know once we go live, you're notified, right? Go follow the IG, but definitely drop a like, especially if you took that W with us, or if you got some value out of tonight's session, if your questions were answered, if you understand the charts or the candles a bit better. Okay, mods, I'm gonna be out. Zoom gang, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. Calling it maybe 10-15 minutes early, but there have been enough streams where we stayed late, right? All right,
He'll be all right.
as for me, what was that? What were you gonna say?
All right.
All right. I thought you were going to beat me to it. All right. As for me, my time here is up. Chat, you already know, just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Good night, everybody.